Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's August 28th, 2025. It's late afternoon now. Not much to show as far as video today. Most of the day I was either weed whacking. Took quite a while with weed whacking here. Used the earthquake weed whacker, the wheeled weed whacker, to do this section here. Then use the Ego to do a bunch of other places around in the gardens and all. I still have a whole bunch more to do. Can never catch up. The shipment for the casters for the shelving units didn't show up. I did get these completely rebuilt, so waiting on casters. I ended up ordering more today because who knows, once they get lost at Amazon, so hopefully they'll come tonight, the other ones. And what else did I do today? Today was a big day as far as going out to the shipping containers and searching through all of the various bins and all, trying to find tools and fasteners. So a lot of the fastener containers got crushed, so they all got mixed up as far as all the different types of screws, sizes of screws and all. So that's going to be another big hassle, but I got some of them back here and all, and I was able to find some of my tools as well. I need Tapcons. I may have found barely enough, so when I go to put these forms in here, I need Tapcons to hold the forms in place. So I may end up having to order some more just to be on the safe side. Rebar should be coming tomorrow for reinforcing the concrete here. I really don't like metal in the concrete, but since this will be inside, I'm not worried about it. You know, it's just that when you go by overpasses and all, you could see how the concrete breaks down around where the rebar is, and the pillars and all. The moisture gets into the concrete, gets into the metal. It starts to rust, expand, and crack, and the concrete cracks as well, and then it requires a repair. But when it's inside like this, I'm not worried about it. And I contacted the suppliers today, and everybody's behind. They're just so busy putting together a quote for the building materials. Man, things have changed so much over the years. But anyways, I wish they'd just stay focused on the task and get the job done, get it to me, and then we go from there. So anyways, I think that's about it. Dee's been working on the peaches today, processing those, and watering. Today was watering. So with the rain, the big rain that came through and hit Syracuse and places around here, we didn't get any rain. We got 0.06 of an inch the night before last, so not even 1/10 of an inch. It just made the soil surface a little damp. And it has cooled down some, and it's been breezy, which has been pleasant for working in. Don't get quite as hot and sweaty, so it's better. It's a little breezy right now, which is nice, and it's cooler. But quite honestly, we really need the rain. So that was another big thing, watering everything all day today as well. So short video today as opposed to our really long ones and all. Just thought I'd give you an update on how things are going. Hopefully I'll get a little more done tomorrow. I still have to, you know, I spend so many hours going through all the bins trying to find what I can. Sometimes it's just better to cut your losses and order the rest of the supplies that you need. So anyways, I think that's about it for today's video, folks. Appreciate you watching. Sorry this is just me yakking here, but wanted to touch base with you, give you a heads up on what's going on. Stay safe, take care, and have a good evening. Bye-bye now.